Best deals. In today's video, let's review some of the trending handbags that provide a designated space to carry items needed for daily life, such as wallets, phones, keys, cosmetics, and medications. Handbags come with compartments and pockets, making it easier to organize and find items. They allow for hands-free carrying, making it easier to navigate daily tasks. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Crossbody bags. The body of the bag is crescent half-moon shaped, foldable and easy to clean. Suitable for daily travel, hiking, fitness, and work for men, women, ladies, boys and girls. Bag has a premium nylon blend with a rounded shape that fits the body perfectly. The outer layer is water resistant, protecting the bag's contents from light rain and accidental slips. Stylish and structured handbag with a compact shape and premium texture. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Satchel bag. Has a top zip closure to keep your essentials in place. The bag has a main spacious compartment with a divider zip pocket to provide you enough space for keeping phone, portable charger, keys, hairbrush, wallet, sunglasses. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Pink tote handbag. Made by acrylic and cotton blend fabric. Adorable hand-tufted floral embroidered. Has multicolor small pom-pom lace detailing on all edge, also with floral embroidery at front. It has 2 carry handles with embroidered ribbon details, as well adjustable and removable crossbody strap. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Tote. Designed for modern professionals, this office bag blends ethnic charm with sleek style, ideal for women handbags that suit both work and travel, perfect for MacBook, Chromebook, iPad, tablet, HP, Lenovo, Dell, and more. Includes padded laptop sleeve with Velcro, roomy compartment for books or tiffin, and pockets for wallet, pen, and keys. Zip closure with double straps ensures easy carry. Built with sturdy vegan leather and water-resistant lining. Easy to maintain, just wipe with a damp cloth. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Laptop bag. Offers durability and a sophisticated look, perfect for professional settings. Ideal as a leather office bag for men. Features 2 main compartments, including a padded laptop sleeve for up to 15.6-inch devices, multiple pockets for accessories, and pen slots for organization. Ideal as a laptop bag for men office use, versatile as a laptop messenger bag, and suitable as a men's office bag. Features padded and adjustable shoulder straps, a comfortable leather handle, and trolley straps for convenient travel. Suitable as an office bag for men, versatile as a doctor bag for clinic, and ideal for laptop bag for office use. Designed as a men office bag, it is suitable as an office laptop bag, and accommodates a 15.6 laptop bag, a stylish leather office messenger bag for men, suitable for daily commutes or business travels. Also functions well as a men messenger bag. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Travel bags. You can carry it by hand or carry it on your shoulder, or you can easily place it on your luggage through the fixed belt design on the back, which is convenient for storage and transportation, and makes travel more convenient. Suitable for women, men, teens and big kids. Great idea as personal item for airline travel and emergency spare bag in the suitcase. It is mostly suitable for carry cosmetics and other essential items with different pockets. Made up of long-lasting, durable, water-resistant and waterproof nylon material. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Satchel bag. Made from high-quality, soft material, the satchel features monogram print and contrast touch with metallic embellishment. A perfect option for a trip to the mall or an official outing. It can be paired with a stylish top and well-fitted denims. This spacious yet stylish satchel will make it a perfect choice for gifts for all occasions. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Satchel. Roomy compartment to hold your essentials, including your wallet, phone, and makeup. Detachable and adjustable sling strap with sturdy handles for versatile use. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Backpack. are made of high-quality water-resistant soft, PU leather, metal accessories and fabric lining, which is luxurious in looks and durable. Bags for women office use, traveling backpacks for women, office laptop bags for women, zipper closure, anti-theft pocket, water-resistant backpack, convertible, comes with a detachable sling shoulder belt, perfect for casual, shopping, travel, dating, hiking, amusement parks, tuition, study, office, college, work, lightweight and comfortable, carry everywhere you want. Anti-theft backpack features one main zipper compartment with one interior zipper pocket, two slot pockets, two side pockets, one front zipper pocket. Multi-pockets could fit your 13-inch, 14-inch MacBook laptop. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Laptop Messenger Bag. Spacious design with multiple compartments for organized storage, designed with precision, this genuine leather bag offers durability, style, and a refined finish for a professional look. Perfect for office, business meetings, travel, and daily use, keeping your essentials organized in style. A stylish and practical choice for professionals, making it an ideal gift for birthdays, anniversaries, and special occasions. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Crossbody bags. The phone sling bag is designed with one front phone pocket, card slots, one zipper pouch, two main cash compartments. Enough capacity can meet your light travel storage needs, such as passport, credit cards, keys, lipsticks, headphones, tickets, cash, and classify your personal small items. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Travel tote bags. Gym bags for unisex are made of high-quality waterproof fabric, soft, washable, waterproof, wrinkle-resistant and wear-resistant. This gym backpack is perfect for indoor and outdoor use, and can meet your needs in various scenarios such as gyms, yoga studios, sports venues, traveling, and so on. The main compartment features an interior laptop pocket, zippered wet, dry pocket and two mesh pockets. Externally, the workout bag has two side slip pockets and two zippered pockets to carry all your important small items. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Satchel bag. It is durable, versatile and lightweight. It is available in classic black and gold color. Made from premium man-made leather, this handbag has the latest pebble texture and premium gold-toned metal hardware. The interior has one main compartment, divided by an inner zip storage, two slip pockets alongside one external zip pocket, providing plenty of storage space for keeping phone, portable charger, keys, hairbrush, wallet, sunglasses, sanitizer etc. It also has a detachable and adjustable sling belt for multi-purpose use. Product link is given in the 13th link.